Could theme parks be safer than your local grocery store for avoiding getting sick? Stick around and we'll answer a couple questions. What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Who Dat Travel. Now, in today's edition, we are going to talk if theme parks are safer than your local grocery store for not getting sick. If you like these type of videos, please give me a huge thumbs up, destroy that like button, and what really helps me out is if you'd hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notifications to be notified when I release new videos. Without further ado, are we really safer by going to a theme park than a grocery store? Now, in some states and countries, people are required to wear masks in public and practice social distancing. However, I don't know about you, but I see a lot of people that don't do it. And there's really no one to enforce these rules. Now, on the other hand, Universal Orlando has been open for almost a month now, and Disney is going to be opening, and actually at the release of this video, it'll be open for a couple days. Now, they are going through extensive cleaning practices. We've seen that with Disney Springs. We've seen that with Universal Orlando. They are taking the temperature of every guest. They are just wiping down everything. Everyone is mandated to have a mask. But grocery stores don't do that. I don't know about your grocery store, but I'm not seeing them go through and clean. And half the time when I go up to any of the hand sanitizers, they're empty. Now, from what I've been hearing with Disney Springs and Universal, you see cleaning people all the time. You're seeing them wipe down high touch points of escalators and just cleaning everything, and generally, the hand sanitizers are full. Now, Attractions Magazine put up a poll, and for those of you who have been to Universal Orlando since they reopened in your local grocery store, where did you feel safer? Now, an overwhelming amount of the people actually said that Universal Orlando. 75.1% of the people, and there were 827 votes, said that they felt safer at Universal Studios than they did at their local grocery store. That's a pretty big number. Now, granted, it's a pretty small sample size, but that's still a decisive amount of people saying that they feel safer at a major theme park than they do at their grocery store. So Attractions Magazine actually interviewed a gentleman named Andrew Gilligan, who is an adult ambulatory care specialist and also has an MSN, RN, CNP, ANP-BC. The man has gone to school for quite a while. He actually may know a little bit about this, and what he said about all of this was theme parks where all are required to wear a mask and have their temperature checked may indeed carry a lower risk of viral transmission compared to a place like a grocery store, where at times less than half of the patrons are wearing masks. Additionally, he states, despite the higher number of park goers, they are going to be spread out over a larger open acreage versus an enclosed, maybe mere tens of thousands of square feet of the average grocery store. Items within the grocery store are arranged tightly on shelves and aisles. Maskless shoppers could be talking, coughing, and sneezing on items they do not purchase. While the CDC has said that the viral transmission via inanimate object is less likely due to a minimum viral load, it is still possible. So let's break down what he was saying. Basically, in a theme park, you've got a wide open area. Now, granted, there's probably more people, but these people have been temperature checked and are wearing masks. Whereas your standard grocery store, it's a smaller enclosed area with the ability for people to cough on a lot of stuff and just leave it there. Now, you can cough on a ride vehicle because you're not taking that with you. However, at the time of recording, Disney has had 2 cast member preview days. Well, what those people at those preview days are noticing is that they are wiping down those ride vehicles. They also have extra precaution, like plexiglass in between the stanchions where you stand to get onto like Everest and Flight of Passage. So the places that you have to be close to somebody, they are putting additional measures up to make sure that you stay as safe as you can. Now, I don't know about you, but at my grocery store, they don't do things like that. And, well, it's about 50% of the people who actually will wear a mask. Now, we're not going to get into the if you should wear a mask or shouldn't you wear a mask. That's a debate for a whole different time. But if it can help, well, let's try to do our part. And at Disney, if it can help there, well, even better. If I can get back to Disney and have the magic, well, I'm gonna go. Well, we'd love to know your opinion on this. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. Now, personally, I think it's gonna be safe. I'm taking my family down for opening day. At the time of this release, we'll have been there for 2 days. We'll let you know how we liked everything as soon as we get back. So, everybody, I wish you the best of times. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks again. This is Nick for Who Dat Travel. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you would, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great